Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram experience and see more of what you actually like, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to add a post to your not interested list on Instagram. This quick update will help you take control of your feed and make sure you're only seeing the content that matters to you. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, start scrolling through your feed or head over to the Explore page. As you browse, you might come across posts that just don't appeal to you, or maybe they're completely irrelevant. Instead of just ignoring them, you can let Instagram know you're not interested. Here's how you do it. When you see a post you don't want to see again, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. It looks like this. 3 small dots stacked vertically. Tap on those dots to open up a menu with several options. From the list that appears, select Not Interested. As soon as you tap this, Instagram will immediately remove the post from your feed or Explore page. But it doesn't stop there. Instagram also takes note of your choice and works behind the scenes to show you fewer posts like that in the future. The more you use this feature, the more tailored your Instagram experience becomes. Remember, you can do this for any post you see, whether it's from someone you follow or a random suggestion. It's a simple way to train the algorithm and make your feed reflect your real interests. So, next time you spot something you don't want to see, don't just scroll past. Tap those 3 dots, hit Not Interested, and watch your feed improve over time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media apps. See you in the next video.